Hi, Robert. My name's Christian Rinna. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Realtor.com, HomeLight, Trulia, or any others that there is. And the leads that come through your website are exclusive to you. So I found you on Facebook. But I do not see a website listed in your intro, so I'm assuming you don't have one. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to try and make it short and sweet and get right to the point for you. When you do decide to get a website, which I would highly recommend, either A, you can build one yourself, or B, you can have somebody do it for you. It's not really that expensive. You want to make sure you do it the right way. So there's a website that nobody ever finds, and the only way they find it is if you tell them the website name. And then there's websites that show up when people search things. Someone types in realtor in Wilmington, North Carolina, you want your website to show up, okay? So if you implement proper tips and tricks that I'm going to tell you right now, you can have your website do that for you. Content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing is content. All search engines love content. The more content you have, the more value you're providing to the internet, and the higher up you're going to rank, the more visible your website's going to be. So you want to have minimum 1,500 words on every page you're trying to rank. So I would definitely suggest having a buyer and a seller page, both with 1,500 words each. Buying in Wilmington, North Carolina, selling in Wilmington, North Carolina. 1,500 words, 1,500 words. The thing you got to remember as well is that content isn't just the words. It's also the photos, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so you want to make sure all your photos are saved the right way. Search engines, Google in particular, read how you save the photos. So if your photo is saved as random letters and numbers, which computers like to do that from time to time, it's not going to bring you value. You want all your photos to be saved as buyer intent keywords like Wilmington, North Carolina realtors, or realtors in Wilmington, North Carolina. Any of those things. That's how you want to save your photos, because that's going to be read by search engines and that's going to help you be found. So I did pull up Wilmington, North Carolina realtors. The next thing we're going to talk about is citations. What citations are is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. Citations are going to help you rank in the map pack. As you can see, I typed in Wilmington, North Carolina realtors. We got the Cameron team, we got Intercoastal Realty, we got Blue Coast Realty. So I know that you are with Suncoast Realty from what I found, and you guys aren't here in the main page, okay? So I'm not sure how much value that's bringing you. But you are down in the 6th position or something like that. You guys are on the first page, which is good. So you are on the first page. But then here's what happens when we go here and we go to find a realtor. I went through literally all these and I still haven't found you yet. So, you know, I'm willing to bet that a random client that's looking to find a real estate agent is going to go to one of the first couple in here. If they even get this far. So again, I still haven't seen your photo anywhere. So I don't think that this website is bringing you much value. You need to get your own. You should. But even more than that, you should get a Google My Business page. Google My Business page is, and so another thing too, if you notice, just because you're not a brokerage, you can see Del Webb Wilmington. She's up here in the Google My Business page. The Newman Group, they're up here in the Google My Business page. And this is because they have a Google My Business profile as well as citations. And I actually don't see Seaside or Seacoast Realty on this map pack. So I'm not sure how much leads your organization's actually bringing you, but you can do it on your own. So an example of a Google My Business page is right here. We're going to use the Cameron team because they are here. They're just a team. They got their address, hours, phone. They have their website. We recommend 25 reviews. So you guys have 27 reviews. That's good. We recommend 25. And then also when you get your Google My Business page, you're going to want to have 10 photos minimum. And then again, you're going to want to make sure you save those photos the right way. How you save your photos is very important. So I would highly suggest getting a Google My Business page. adding 10 photos, and then make sure you save them the right way, and then start pushing those reviews, 25 minimum. So as you can see, the Cameron team is right here, #1. So you can be there too if you have a Google My Business page and you implement some of these things, citations especially. The last thing is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your domain is found. So seacoastrealty.com, as you can see, you guys have 1.6 million backlinks from 949 referring domains. But yet your domain rating is only a 61. That's a 61 out of 100. So considering the fact that you have 1.6 million domains, you should be a 98. You should be very high up on the domain rating, and you're not. So the thing to remember when you do decide to get your own website is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want your backlinks coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. You would think that with 1.6 million backlinks that you guys would be the #1 position for Wilmington, North Carolina realtors. You'd think that you guys would be right here, but you're not. So just remember, not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure you get your backlinks from sites that are relevant and not spammy. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into a website of your own so that you can start bringing in leads and making some more money. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.